Imagine a world without the convenience of wireless internet access. Wi-Fi has revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. At the heart of this wireless wonder lies the humble router. These radio waves, operating at specific frequencies, are the invisible carriers. Our Wi-Fi-enabled devices are equipped with receivers that can detect and connect. When you join a Wi-Fi network, your device goes through authentication. Your device can send and receive data through the router. Wi-Fi comes in various forms, from routers to mobile hotspots. Each type of connection relies on network components working together. Security measures like encryption protocols protect our data as it travels. As technology advances, so too do the protocols that govern Wi-Fi. Today, Wi-Fi is ubiquitous, found in homes, offices, and public spaces. As we look to the future, the possibilities of Wi-Fi technology are endless.